Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 30th, 2018, and this is a small pile. 12 days ago, I did the second turning of this compost pile. It took about 2 days for it to get up into the lower 130s. It's been into the 140s for the last 9 to 10 days, which has been excellent. The large pile composting, the temperatures have really come down. You know, that pile's in all essence done. I may turn it one more time, but this pile is ready to be turned. So the sun's going to set before too long, but I thought I'd go ahead and turn this pile, see how it's looking. On the outside, it's looking fantastic. So here we go. Well, I just finished turning the pile, and I'm very impressed with how well the pile is turning out. Pretty much even heat distribution throughout the pile. Most of the gross appearing materials, the hay, the straw, the grapevines, the weeds, and many of the small or thick stalks of the weeds and root balls all seem to be breaking down and not as easily distinguishable at this point. Moisture content seems very good, despite having had over 3 inches of rain since starting this pile. So pretty darn impressed with it. The smell is very good, no anaerobic smells at all. So overall, I'm very pleased with how well this pile has been progressing. So this was the third turning so far. I'll put a link in the upper right hand corner to the previous videos of the small pile composting system. This size pile might be one that many small communities, if they've got a loader, a front end loader, that could do a pile this size. And I forgot how quickly it would get done because the sun still hasn't quite set yet. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Please give us a thumbs up if you think this was of value. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post more videos. And certainly, folks, have a super fantastic day. Bye-bye now.